Go to View menu and down to Grid and Access Manager. Go to Show Grid, Mode Advanced, then go for Grid Type Horizontal Triangular and close. Go to the Pen tool in the Tools panel and click on the document to add some nodes. I'm going to create a slanted L shape, but you can create a variety of other designs using this grid. Click the last point, the first point as well. Now you've got a closed path. What you can then do is go to Selection in the top left, then Layer and New Layer, then the Gradient tool and fill it with a gradient, default one, white to black. Then go to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. So you've got a pattern layer from that gradient design. Go to the Move tool and you can resize. Also, you can get rid of the previous layer. So you can resize, reposition it. Also, hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design. Now you can rotate that as well. So rotate that 180 degrees, reposition it, and you can go to the Layers panel. Go to the Layers panel and go down to the bottom and there's a little FX. So you can apply an effect to that. So 3D, set the radius to about 30. So you get a nice 3D effect there. Then outer shadow. Set the radius to about the middle, offset to middle, and intensity to the max. And click close.